up with tangled hair? This brush will make your life so much easier. Just look how easy it is to use. It's got 4 different power settings for all types of hair that will untangle even the toughest of knots. With its rotating cord, there's no tangles with the cable either. Now you can have salon-perfect hair at home. It's cool to touch, and the tips will massage and untangle your hair, leaving the hot air to dry and it to your chosen style. There's no need for a separate hair dryer or straightening tongs, as this does it all for you, letting you to get on with your day.